We on?
Y'all, all different angles.
Green, the color of envy. Yet the same color as this powerful rectangle-shaped paper that makes people stingy. See, it makes things accessible, but it leaves plenty souls feeling dingy. Burning holes through pockets and hearts as it doesn't provide happiness, yet it does the opposite and tears love apart. From the cradle to the grave, it has been engraved that life is about bigger and better. And since this is America, life is not about intangible treasures. Instead, it is about cutthroat and the neck choking to get to the top. And patience is nothing more than a virtue. It is clearly a lost art, and I need Noah to build me an art because I am drowned in the sea of unoriginality. And people who think that their monies can buy them personalities, yet become a zombie-like when they're faced with reality. And the reality is, you are who you choose to be. The history you paved yourself determines your legacy. So why chase when we are amongst the living? Why waste when we were created to be given? And why become bound to a piece of paper when we were made free years ago? See, in some shape, form, or fashion, everybody either has been or will be a slave unless you bring an umbrella and other shoes to make it rain in order to remain sane. See, money can change the best of us. And though sometimes life gets tough, it is better to hold your head up and get it by the muscle. Always remain humble, and always remember that who you are in relation to where you are doesn't make your destiny any less true. And as I like to say, make the money, boo-boo. Don't let the money make you.
Yes.